Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5895 Vineyard Road Extension on beautiful Cayuga Lake.
This is a charming cottage that's right on the water with approximately 50 feet of waterfront and unlimited potential.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Come enjoy the relaxing lake lifestyle with approximately 50 feet of lake-level waterfront with a shell beach and a dock to take in those breathtaking panoramic lake views to the north, east for the morning sunrises, and south towards Ithaca. Imagine the possibilities of designing your dream lake home. This is a premier location on Vineyard Road Extension, which is a public road for easy access year-round with little to no traffic, plus a private parking area and room for a garage. This waterfront property is located in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, also known as the Napa Valley of the East, with easy access to exceptional wineries, Del Lago Resort and Casino, the spa at the Inns of Aurora, Dean Cove Boat Launch, Taganic Falls Gorge, and Ithaca with prestigious colleges and universities.
For anyone who appreciates history and being by the lake, this is the perfect place for you.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5895 Vineyard Road Extension on gorgeous Cayuga Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!